There is a house in charming town they call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor girl and me. Oh God, I'm one. If I had listened to my mama, Lord, I'd be home today. But I was young and foolish, and some rider led me astray. Go tell my baby sister, never do what I have done, to shun the house in charming town they call the rising sun. My mother, she's a tailor. She sewed my new blue jeans. My sweetheart, he's a rambler. Lord, he rides an old machine. Now the only thing a rambler needs is a suitcase and a gun. The only time that he's satisfied is when he's on the run. He fills his chamber up with lead and takes his pain to town. The only pleasure he gets out of life is bringing another man down. Ooh, 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 ooh. He's got one hand on the throttle, the other's on the brakes. He's riding back to Redwood on his father's stake. And me, I wait in charming town to gain my love as one. And I'm staying here to defend our lives down in the rising sun. Ooh, ooh. And I'm staying here to defend our lives. I'm staying here to defend our lives down in the rising sun.